The SnapFresh 20V Hedge Trimmer provides the convenience of cordless operation, allowing for greater flexibility and ease when trimming various garden elements. Equipped with a 22-inch dual-action blade made from durable MN65 metal, this trimmer efficiently cuts through branches up to 0.55 inches thick with minimal vibration. With a powerful 1,400 revolutions per minute motor, it effectively covers up to 3,000 square feet, ensuring thorough trimming with double cutting efficiency. Weighing only 4.74 pounds, this trimmer is designed to be lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing muscle fatigue during extended use. The double lock protection feature enhances safety by requiring two locks to be pressed simultaneously, while the blade guard prevents debris from splashing. Included in the package is a 2.0 ampere-hour battery that offers up to 30 minutes of continuous trimming and recharges in just 1 hour, compatible with all SnapFresh 20V products.